Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Normally see me outdoors, but today I'm indoors because I want to do a review on the letpot. And I think this machine is so cool, especially if you want to be indoors and everything is right there in your kitchen. You can set it up in your kitchen. This have Wi-Fi connection, your filter on, you can turn it on or off. If you're out of town, you can control anything, all the functions through Wi-Fi, through your app. You want to just turn it off, filter, you want to turn off the grow light, you want to turn on the grow light, you can control all that on the app. Yes, and that's one of my things I love about this system. So on today's video, I will be showing a step-by-step guide on the letpot. And another thing, it takes up to 30 days, which is not bad. 30 days to harvest. You can plant your seed, and within 30 days, you can harvest. It comes with a manual, and it just shows you how to connect your Wi-Fi to the app. And description down below on this letpot growing system. I'm like maybe day 5 when I start seeing, I think it's day 5 when I start seeing growth. So I'm gonna do day 5, then probably day 10, and I'm gonna skip some days like that so I can show you guys the growth of it all the way up to 30 days. Yeah, it comes with the food. It don't come with the seeds. You have to get your own seeds, but seeds for $1 at Dollar Tree. You could get give you the little liquid fertilizers, the food for your seeds basket, drop it on in there. This is exciting to me. You know, I can have just something just sitting around. I can just, if I want to cook something, I could just harvest right in my kitchen. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this. And so right here, I took everything out of the box. This is the machine, top of it. This is how it looks. We have the manual. This is how it looks. We have the little stickers for our seedlings when they come up, if to go in around these little holes. We have the seed cups to put down in the holes. The cover seeds for the seedlings. It's like little domes for the seedlings. We have plant food, A and B. Tops, labels. These are the little sticks for when the seedlings start growing. I guess there's something so the seedlings can lean on or stake. These are the stake sticks. And these, the little pods, the little sponge pods, you put the seeds inside. We have our adapter. And this is the stand for the grow light to go back of the machine. This step by step. This the manual. Step 1, we have to insert the back part for the connection. So we're going to insert this in. See? That's step one. Step two, we're gonna insert the power cord of the water pump into the DC jack back of the water tank and then plug it in the power adapter. About to do that right now. There's a little hole in the back right there. So this is the adapter. Plug it in the power side. We have the power side and we have the pump side. This adjust is a little back switch to adjust. This is our water. This is step 4. They say fill it to the max, all the way to the top. We're shaking. We shake the nutrition and then we pour them inside of the cup A and B. And then we take 4 cups of water and mix them inside like that. Both nutrition. Okay, this is my seeds. I have cilantro, hot pepper, Swiss chard, spinach, and I have the color Swiss chard. Okay. Okay, this is the spinach. I'm going to drop, they say drop 2 to 3 seeds. I am going to drop 3. There. That. This is the basket. You just slide it right down in there like that. These are our stickers. We place them over. Okay, I'm doing the hot pepper. First I did the Swiss chard, and now I'm on the hot pepper. Putting 3 inside of 1, 2, 3 seeds. Right there. Next is the cilantro. And I'm doing the colorful Swiss chard. That's the colors. That's my last 2. 7, we got the sponge. You put the seeds in, the sponge, the basket, and we're gonna put the basket right inside of the hole. And then we have the dome. You place the dome on top. My label, I already labeled. Today is the August the 11th, 2025. And you put your label right on top. All right, you can turn the pump on or off. Okay, I just turned the pump off. Turn it back on, then you're gonna hear the water in the pump start going. Yep. The brightness is on high. Put it on low. Alarm sound. Turn it off. You can pick your favorite plants to start. you can put the name, the start date, description in there, and all that good stuff. You get 10 pods. You can turn it off. Back on. Let's see what this is. Fruit, veggies, herbs, flowers. Just gotta play around with the app so you can see what's best for you as far as with the app and how you want your pump to operate. Okay guys, today makes day 5. So I got the hot pepper, the spinach, and the Swiss chard. Look, we already see growth. This is the Swiss chard. Got some growth in that one. And in that one. I think that left side. Oh, we got some in here. Let's see what the spinach have. This is day 5, guys. Let's see what's going on in there. Don't see too much going on the spinach just yet. Oh, we have something going on right here. This is all day 5, y'all. I am so excited about this because now that I see some sprouting out, I have more hope. So I'm gonna put the little tops back on, y'all, and I'll see y'all on the next day, which is gonna be day 10 on the next shot. It's been 10 days, y'all. That Swiss chard is growing crazy. Y'all see that? Look at that. 10 days. Got the spinach growing right here. Let's see what's going on inside the hot cayenne pepper. We got growth, y'all. 10 days. Got growth here. Let's see what's going on in here. I don't see nothing out of the other ones after 10 days. Maybe something was wrong with the seeds. Who knows? We got something going on right here. I said those spinach seeds wasn't no good anyway, so I wasn't really expecting nothing out of the spinach seeds. So this is day 10, y'all. Day 10. Day 20, y'all. Look how big those leaves got. We have spinach over here. This is overgrown, y'all. I will have to harvest some and just let the leaves, the small leaves, grow up like these. But I will definitely be harvesting some of these lettuce. We have the peppers coming up. Let's see what's in here. Okay, I see a little seedling in there. These are taking a little bit slower because these was old pepper seeds, but they're coming out. But that Swiss chard, good grief. Day 20. See y'all at day 30. Day 30, y'all. Which is gonna be harvest day. Got the spinach here. That's the Swiss chard. We got some peppers coming up here. More spinach coming up. Yeah. That's how the system works.